right, can you believe it? I didn't get my first ear piercings till I was 21 years old. I grew up in a Mennonite culture, so we were not allowed to have our ears pierced. There's some Bible verse about it, and it's considered a body modification, I guess. So my mom would not let me, and I had to actually wear like Mennonite clothes for a very long time, like homemade dresses. And yeah, I wanted self-expression really bad. And finally, when I got to college, me and my sister were like, you know what, let's do it. It was her birthday, and I think it was her birthday. It was either her birthday or my birthday, and we're like, you know what, let's go get our ears pierced. And I know I was 21. It probably was my birthday, my 21st birthday. And so we went into Claire's. We had done like no research at all. So I'm sitting in the chair, and they got piercing guns on each of my ears, and they go click, and I start getting like all fuzzy, and my knees wobble. My sister was already in the chair, and I'm like about to pass out, and I was like, shit, what did I do? This is such a bad idea. We hadn't told our mom we were gonna do it. We probably texted her later like, hey, by the way, we got our ears pierced. She would have probably thought we were going to hell. But anyways, I used the solution 2 times a day like I was supposed to, and they still didn't heal properly. They were oozing and red, and they were like that for years. And then when I had my first kid, I was busy, and I didn't want kids like tugging on my earrings or whatnot, so I just left them out, and one of them grew shut. And so I had to take one of the ear piercing needles and poke it the rest of the way through, and it bled, and it was not fun. No. So I'm like, I wanted a second piercing, and I'm like, let's not do that again. And then I saw someone else online do like a piercing gun at home, and I was like, well, I don't want a piercing gun. I want a needle, because I've heard it's so much better. And I was like, let's see if they actually have that online. And they did. So now my ears pierce so much better. So I'll show you how they healed. I have been using the solution twice daily for 6 weeks, and there has been no irritation, no swelling, no oozing, none of that. So it's already so much better, and I'm gonna switch them out. So I will show you the whole process, and we'll see if they heal as good as I think they did, because I've had no issues so far. All right, so that one is out, and I'm gonna put these really cute studs in. Let's actually see how that's healing. It feels a bit crusty, okay, because of the saline solution that I've been using. Does not look infected at all. So we're gonna put these beautiful screw backs in and see if I can get it in. It's hard to do it on the camera. All right, that was easy. That was so easy. Okay, so it's healed beautifully. I'm so excited. And I'll probably do this again. Where should I pierce next? Oh my gosh, you guys. Let me see. Screw this in. All right, so I got them both in. This one was a little bit harder, but they're not red. They're not oozing. They're not like the Claire's ones at all. And I can't believe that I did them myself and they healed this good. Would you do this at home? I will leave you the links below for the kit that I used to do this one, and you can see that video also. I get a small commission for it. And look out for some more videos about the Mennonite culture I grew up in.